Hello everyone, look, I have my wedding band and all of you single ladies out there, holler back if you are interested. If you are interested. Today I'm here at Fine Metal Studio with my wingman who created this wedding band is Derek.
Hello everyone, welcome to Fine Metal Studio.
Yes, so today we're going to learn how to make our own wedding bands, which will save you a whole lot. So with that, Derek, guide us, how do we make this?
So those are the steps to make a simple textured band ring.
Okay, so it's my turn. Okay, so first thing first,
measure your finger. Okay,
yeah.
Good.
Okay, so
Alright, so you have to refer to the ring conversion chart.
58.28.
Sounds about right. So you can round it down to 58.
5.8 here. Okay.
Alright. And your next, that's good.
Okay,
Yeah,
so now it's time to bend the wires. I think I'm very good.
Wow, you did it!
I did it! So now we have to fill in the gap.
That's right. Yeah, that's it.
Enough?
So you don't want to put too much because if you put the flux everywhere, it's going to flow everywhere.
Oh.
Yeah, the solder is going to flow everywhere.
Okay,
So that's enough. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, now pick up a solder chip.
In the middle, right?
Yes, that's right.
Okay, and then I should hold it.
To hold down the solder if you don't want it to move. Okay, now you heat it up while you're holding the solder down. Let's have a look. Oops.
I thought I did slow enough. So I just drop it off, right?
No.
Or just dunk it.
Yeah, just dunk it. Okay, you can drop it in the pickle pot. Use the copper tweezer. Copper tweezer there. Yeah, put it into the pickle pot.
Pickle pot. So I just drop it in.
Drop it in. So you're gonna leave it there for 10 minutes.
Okay, so it's been 10 minutes and now we're gonna take the ring out of the steamboat pot.
Pickle pot.
Pickle pot.
Take it out and...
This part feels like you're looking for the abalone. Okay, so...
rinse it in the water.
Rinse it in the
yeah,
water.
just to neutralize it. Okay, and then wipe it dry with a cloth. And once it's dry, then you have to hammer it round.
Hammer it round. Okay.
Yes. So there's one ring mandrel in front of you. Yep. And then pick out a nylon hammer, and then you can just hammer it. Push the ring down all the way as much as you can. All right, looks good to me.
Yeah.
You can take it out. All right, next step is you have to start filing the joints.
Filing the joint.
Yeah, so you pick up this red file. Oh, the other side. You have to try to follow the shape of the ring.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, so both sides are even. Okay, good.
Would you say it's perfect?
Yes, it's perfect. Okay, so you can move on to sand it now. Use a sandpaper, use this micro mortar. All right, now you can move on to texturing.
Yeah.
Okay, then you can go for this hammer then. Just use the end and just hammer randomly.
Randomly, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, I cannot. I'm quite perfectionist though.
Random is nice for this design.
Anyway.
Anyway. Let's have a look. Good. We can move on to polishing.
How come I feel like something is flying off?
Yeah, because of the cloth.
Oh.
Ah!
Oh my god, oh my god! No! No! You know what they say? If you like it, then you should have put a ring on it. So, there you go.
Very nice.
Yeah, so this is really nice. It's very simple, very classic. Is there anything more that we can do to this?
If you want to personalize like some of your initials, or if you want to put like a special dates in it, we can also do it with the stamping technique. Yeah. So yeah.
Well, I see this is such a meaningful gift that you can give to a partner. So we'd like to invite all of you to come over here to Fine Metal Studio and meet Derek, where he'll be having a lot of classes about jewelry making. There is silversmithing, there is art clay silver.
Art clay silver, yeah, it's a technique from Japan. And then we have got like enameling, and we have got wire work, jewellery making as well. Yeah.
So you can have bling blings even.
Yes, definitely.
Right, so sign me up, and for those of you who are interested in this as well, sign yourself up and we'll see you next time.
Come on over, yep.
See you next time then.
Bye.